eliminated, and I get a storm when I procrastinate too. Paid off.
Well, I gotta do that. In slow motion.
Seriously?
After all, that's why I got the iPhone.
That's straight. It's
a very good show.
Okay, there are strokes behind us now as well. Yes. It's amazing.
Resurrection is better. Oh, missed it. Come on, CG.
It's so calm as well, isn't it?
Oh, why? I just moved it around. Oh, I'm so unlucky.
Yeah, look, Christo, this is the advantage of having this. You can just balance it and leave it. Oh my god! Jeez, did you get that? Oh, I got that. That was amazing. I'm probably going to run out of video space soon. Jesus, look at that structure. It's amazing.
Oh, it's amazing, yeah. Is it like a skit again?
Oh, this is pretty awesome.
Yeah. Can you see the canvas? It's huge. Woo!
Oh, you have got to be having a shit. That's pretty awesome.
Come on, CG.
They want to get out.
Huh? Oh, that's Jag.
It's a Jag. Who's here? Oh, is that Scott?
Yeah.
Hey guys!
Hey.
Krista and I walked out the National Weather Centre, we saw this lightning. Like, oh, should we go up to the route? And when we got the radar, we saw this like severe warm thunderstorm. We were like, oh my god. Right, can you look off my phone?
I was in town and the bike got vandalised when I was in town. Like the chain was off, like it was just a mess. I fixed
our
it.
bike?
Yeah. Like just the time I was there for like 3 hours.
I'm filming in slow. He's got some fucking weight. Look, watch over here. Here and there, right? Those are the best. There's a shelf crab here, an amazing shelf crab. Here, there's some really good structure as well. Just keep your eye out. Just watch when there's a big strike. It's fucking yeah, see it? Fucking amazing. I know. As soon as I stop filming, though.
And soon, that's the Gus front.
And we were watching one of the cells to the west, and it had a wall cloud on it.
Yeah,
The meadow.
I actually saw the wall cloud. I was like, woo!
We saw the wall cloud on it, and then we looked on radar and it had five on a rating of 1 set, had 5 rotations on as well.
Yeah. You're Snapchatting in front of the storm.
Nothing's happening.
Is that a photo editing software?
Yeah, it's
crazy.
I'm not sure where to point the camera.
Whoa! Yes.
Maybe I should. No, should I move it? I don't know if I got it though, because I wasn't really looking on my camera. Oh!
Oh, missed that?
Jesus, that was right overhead.
Oh, that's not in. Oh, it's not in slow motion shit.
You're taking a time lapse, Jack?
I'm trying to Snapchat it.
Man, what is this for? This thing.
Christo, can I get the radar on this?
Yeah.
Well, you gotta look.
Yeah, is that eh?
It's 5 stars.
What's the default one? The middle one?
I've actually got the progressions of lightning bolt.
Oh my god! Oh shit! That was
Slow motion. Oh, what?
Oh, it's close.
Eh? Okay, that's.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
yes.
just moved my phone over here.
That's still 3 miles out.
Oh, that's miles away. We'll be fine.
Okay, download it.
On Wi-Fi.
Right, this is the longest, like, 5 seconds of my life. Okay, we're almost done. We're like 45, 95% done. 95 done. It's done. Done. Open. Come on. Come on.
I'm doing mine as a picture and a photo mode, and it's a little bit faster, or it takes better resolution.
Not so good.
Is it night, dusk, or dawn?
I want the CG in front of my camera.
Just, oh, Risto, you can't. Oh, prop it up against the glass, Risto.
Yeah, but
Prop it up against the glass. Lean it against the glass.
Exclude.
Which one is that? This one?
yeah, but I want it a little bit slanted.
No!
I can do that at least.
I'm not sure which way to go.
You have to move your hand back and forth to get it to have the ring lit there. Looks like it's working.
Cool.
And of course, the skiller, the full stage, you can hold the phone like this.
So we will be like,
She's here.
yeah.
She's here.
Like, I think about
Alright,
Sarah.
Sarah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, did I get that?
Yeah, Scott, if you look on the radar.
It was very
good?
dim.
Severe warnings.
Yes, I got it.
I think I got that, but we'll keep looking.
That wasn't very bright.
Oh!
I'm always looking.
Oh, I'm trying to work out whether this is a match to our incredible Monday Night Storm.
Yeah.
It's pretty awesome. We're going to get more of a direct hit. Oh my goodness, should I move my camera? I don't know if I should do. I'm going to miss the next one, I know it.
Thunder. Oh, I got that.
Oh.
This is a really big one. As soon as everybody stops looking,
We're going to get something. The silence will be
my thumb down.
Oh! Oh my god, I got it! Yes!
No, I got that
Yes!
one.
You can see the
I got it
wall
120.
rain come right for us. You see that?
If you watch, the lights will just slowly start going out.
It's coming.
Oh. Got it 120. I can't, I'm not sure what to watch. You all know. Oh, love.
Oh, it was slightly blurred. Well,
Freshman year, I went to school for bad. And
That was close.
How close are they? They're getting. Ooh! They're getting closer now.
oh, which direction? Oh, I'm zooming on the stupid droplets.
You should get a direct hit, surely.
I think so. I would have thought so.
Yeah, we will.
But maybe that's why they both are so high.
Oh my god! I was like, no, you weren't. He's like, yes, you are.
Oh, yes.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it. Yes.
Zoom on the horizon, bitch.
See, it's bars right now. It's like the Godzilla music.
yeah.
Oh my god! We should play it from Bristol's laptop. We can do it right now.
Do it.
It's like that. It's like the weather, isn't it? When they're parachuting through the storm.
We're through the thunderstorm. I have to do it on.
Oh.
The base of that bolt was in there. Definitely.
That's limited drips.
Yeah. It's tree sauce.
It's like too.
It's probably me, isn't it? Oh, yes!
Thank you very
I
much.
got it, I got it.
That was unreal.
Right on the edge.
You got that square bang in the middle.
Oh no! How far, where was that by the way? Because I was
A mile and a half.
a mile and a half out.
Oh shit.
Getting closer.
That's the ultra slow motion.
We'll be on, well, direct hit in about 5 minutes.
Probably. Even sooner.
Oh! Oh!
That was close.
Behind us.
You have to delete so many.
I think I can't imagine my phone's got any much more memory.
Oh, you saw my 64.
I'm filming all this in 120 as well, so like.
You need to start deleting if I don't get it.
Yeah, it's going to be very blurred. I think it's one pane of glass.
Yeah.
We'd have to go there.
We can. Oh, in general. What's happening with the radio?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then there's going to be super blurred.
Yeah, we're in there. Ben, get a good angle from that.
They're not severe warm thing longer though.
That one, missing that.
It's a hell.
With no zane on it. Is it right? No.
Whoa! Oh!
Is that better?
Okay. Yep.
Do you want to switch?
Right.
That is the second mission. There's something with that actually, by the bends.
Yeah, I'll do it. It'll have to.
There's another more intense
I've heard that's
Less severe warmth.
That's true.